is Jennifer, and I have for you today an acquisition that I got, and I wanted to share my new acquisition with you. It comes from Windy Valley Muskox. There we go. That's where it comes from. They are luxury yarns, and I ordered lace weight. I could have gotten a different weight. I ordered lace weight on purpose. Now, these are very high-end yarns. I don't expect most people to afford them. I was very fortunate to save up my money to be able to afford them. So, the first thing I ordered from them, now I got everything in its natural color, just so you know. The first thing I ordered from them was some cashmere. This is 100% cashmere. I did order it in the lace weight. It does come in other weights. This is 100% cashmere. It is a lace weight. There's 217.4 yards. And it is very pretty. My light's gonna blow it out. There we go. Try not to blow it out too much. But it is very pretty. It is a white, natural white color. And it's very pretty. I'm trying not to blow it out too much, but there it is. It's very, very beautiful. It is, there we go. It is 100% cashmere. This is 1 ounce. It says 218 yards, but their website said 217.4 yards. It is the lace weight. Go around the thing. It's 100% cashmere, and it feels like a cloud. I mean, literally like a cloud. It's amazingly soft. The next thing I got from there is their Kiviute. There it is. Comes in. Come on. Boy, I just don't like that camera light. Let me turn off the camera light. There we go. I got their Kiviute. Let me show you the cashmere again with that light off. There's the cashmere. And there's the color. That's the color. Okay, here's the Kiviute. It's 100% Kiviute, which is from Muskox. This is naturally sourced, humanely sourced. Oh, come on, come in. Boy, that camera doesn't like to focus sometimes. Anyway, this is humanely sourced. It is the lace weight again. I could have got it in a different weight, but I got it in a lace weight on purpose. This is humanely sourced. They naturally shed their undercoat, and they go into the fields and collect the undercoat from the bushes and the trees and the ground, and then they take and they spin it up, and there it is. It's a warm, like chocolatey brown. So I thought I could put those together. They're very pretty. Very, very pretty. That's got a fuzz on it, but it's very pretty. And they would look really good together, the white with the chocolatey brown. And then I got one more. I had to get on the waiting list to get this. This comes in its own little bag, and that's really cool. And it's 100% vacuna, and that's cool. And they can only harvest their fur or what have you, their hair, every 2 years. And I was able to finally get some. It has a fabric label instead of a paper label. So there it is. And it is a rusty brown, which is just absolutely gorgeous. That's the color. And it's the natural color. And again, it is the same yardage in a lace weight as the others. And that is just gorgeous. Just absolutely beautiful. Now this only came in lace weight, and I could have ordered multiple, but I couldn't afford to get more than one. Now this, I thought cashmere was the softest stuff I ever felt. This is softer than the cashmere. This is really a cloud. It is super soft. I absolutely love feeling it. And what I was thinking was I would do a cowl in lace weight with all three of these and put the vicuna in the center. A lacy cowl. I thought that would be absolutely beautiful. And showing off the beautiful yarn. It would be the most expensive cowl I would own. But showing off the beauty of it. Here at the end, I'm going to put up a picture of each of the individual animals. The cashmere comes from a goat, the vicuna comes from the vicuna, and the kiviout comes from the muskox. That way you can see the different animals they come from. They are absolutely beautiful yarns. I am tickled pink to own any of them. It'll be a while before I work with them. I want to just sit and pet them for a while. I hope you enjoyed seeing those. I mean, I've wanted the vicuna for a long time. That was like my holy grail of yarns for many, many years. And now I finally own one. I've had the kiviout before. It's very soft, and I love the feel of the kiviout. I really love that. But because I could only get the vicuna in a lace weight, I ordered the other two in lace weight as well, so I could work them together. But I hope you like seeing these, and I'll go ahead and put up the pictures of what the animals look like. Not those particular animals, but what those animals would look like that they would come from. In the meantime, please stay safe, be kind to one another, and as always, happy yarning. Bye now.